Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can change your Facebook page name. So at first open your Facebook app, then click on this menu button, then just tap on this arrow button, then switch to that page you want to change. Just click on that page. After clicking, you have to go to your menu again, tap on the menu button, then scroll it down a little bit, then click on setting and privacy, then click on sharing, then scroll it down a little bit, then you will see a button called page setup. Just click on it, then click on view. So as you can see, it's saying if you change your name you can change it again for 60 days. So if you change it already in 60 days, then you can change it right now. You have to wait until 60 days. So I didn't change, so I will show you how to change it. Just click on here, then just type your desired name like new. So after typing, just click on done, then click on review change. As you can see, submit for approval, just click on it.